Hey, how the hell's it going? It's Rich. Welcome back to the studio. If you're into anime, manga, and video game kind of art, subscribe, comment, all that BS. So today I'm drawing Guile, and I'm going to be talking about the latest Ross Draws video. I just had to make a reaction video to it. It drew something out of me uh, strong enough that I was thinking about it and wanted to make this video. So it was really great video. First of all, he went to the newest Lightbox convention and talked to a bunch of great artists and got their best art advice. Now, a lot of it was repetitive. First of all, let me say it's not like a hugely unique idea to go ask, other great artists their best art advice. Like, I feel like that's what everybody does. Everybody with a really great YouTube channel does that. Anybody who ever has a conversation with a really great artist asks them, hey, what's your best art advice? So nothing super unique there. But he did get a lot of really good advice. Again, nothing out of the norm, but it's something, a lot of it's stuck in my head. And I was thinking about it, and I feel like, really great advice you should take and apply it to yourself best you can, especially when it's kind of like generic advice that people get and you're just watching a video. You have to try to take it and make it applicable to yourself. And that's kind of what I did. If you follow me on Instagram as well, you'll notice some changes. And it's stuff that I started noticing and hearing repeatedly from other people, not about art. So let's get into this great advice. And I kind of want to help spread this great advice to other new artists or intermediate artists. The goal with my channel is to help other younger artists step over other challenges that hung me up for so long. I think for about a decade, probably a decade, I did not grow at all. Well, I'm sure I did, but it was very slow, very little. And I feel like I should be a lot further because I consistently drew. And let me tell you right now, if you go watch the Raw Straws video, the number one thing they recommend repeatedly is consistency. Meaning show consistency in the quality of your work to people who you might be showing your portfolio to, or consistently draw. Those were the two variations of that advice. Be consistently drawing or painting, whatever you want to do, which is great advice. The number two thing, first of all, they said it in several different ways, and it's all kind of the same. And let me tell you what they said. Find your passion, listen to your gut, draw what you love, and ignore the metrics. Those were 4 different pieces of advice, and I'm telling you they're all basically the same thing, leading to don't chase trends or styles. Ignore the numbers and draw what you love. Draw what you enjoy. Now, listen, if you take any 2 pieces of advice from his videos, or from that video with all the great advice, it's be consistent in drawing what you love. If you are consistently drawing what you love and what you're passionate about, you will grow. Definitely. Now, you won't grow in all the ways that you need to. Another great tip that I heard was learn how to draw. Learn how to draw. And specifically, learn how to draw was the exact thing. We need to be looking at growing as artists and learning, kind of like strength training, in my opinion. It could be like an academic class if you want it to be, but there's no academic class for going to the gym and working out. Well, I guess there are, but most people don't go to those classes, right? You just go to the gym and start working out. So here's what I think we should all be drawing. What we should all be doing is consistently drawing what we love, and like every other day, practice a certain thing that we need to work on, like leg day, arm day, torso day, and just breaking down the human anatomy, practicing on that. Have another day for perspective, another day for vehicles, or whatever it is that you need to work on, So, in conclusion, I loved the raw straws video. This is stuff that I took away. And what I started doing on Instagram was consistently drawing what I love and consistently posting. And I've grown so much so fast just from consistently posting every day some drawings. But what I've specifically been doing is niching down and consistently posting, which is niching down to just ink drawings, which I want to do and get better at. So I've been doing that every day. And I've been growing faster than I've grown in like the last couple years. I finally broke 300 on Instagram. If you aren't following me over there, go follow me. If you learned something from this video and you feel inspired, click the thumbs up button, comment, tell me what you love about this video. This is what I want to do with my YouTube channel, is post more inspiration and motivational stuff for artists. Help us all grow and all grow together. Join the studio, click that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.